This is everything I got from the Family Dollar. There's a whole bunch of fun variety, and I'll show you what everything is, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do and what you can do as well. So the first thing I have are these cute little pumpkins. They're a little 12 pack. There's my hand for kind of the size. I love it, that like kind of golden orange we got going there, so I'm excited to use these as fillers. Or kind of just maybe put it around, so I think they'll be kind of fun to add around. I love pumpkins, and I love the kind of the color with them. The next thing are these leaf vines. They have a little bit of these like squashes on it. I got 3, but I might get more because they're kind of good to fill in different areas as well. A little area where you don't have quite enough room to put anything big like those, but you want something to still put. These would be great for it. The next thing are these bigger pumpkins. We'll see, I'll show you what I'll do with those. I have a couple different ideas, and I'll probably do a mix. Same color, and I love them, and I just think they're adorable. The next thing are these little things of corn. Again, really good fillers. A little small, but they're still kind of really cute and realistic looking. So those will be really fun to add. The next thing we got are these adorable bows. I'll put on some different stuff, and I'll show you guys in a little bit what we're doing with them. The next thing is with all 3 of these signs. So we got thankful and blessed, thankful, grateful, and blessed, and then farm fresh pumpkins, 25 cents. Some of these I'll probably put outside, some inside. I'll show you guys what I'll be doing with these. Family Dollar has a whole lot of other varieties, so you can always check with them as well. But I'm really excited for all these and to be using them. Next we got these little pumpkins, and then the gourd. Again, there's a whole big variety. These are ones I got, but I love like this green one, and I love the kind of sparkles on these. Again, I might need to get some more because they're adorable. Next thing we got is the variety of florals. They have a whole bunch, but these are the scheme I went. I love the white, these kind of brownish leaves. They have these ones with like pine cones and cotton on them, so I'm really excited to be using those. And the last thing is this actual cotton, so I'm really excited to be using those as well because I just love the look of cotton. So this is all stuff I'll be using. Keep tuned, and we will start showing you all the different crafts and everything you can to make your house look a little more fallish. Okay, so very first thing is taking everything and removing all of these labels because there are a lot, and y'all do not want them on. So we're gonna try to get them off, but this is so hard. Okay, they're good. That one's done. We'll do more. Alrighty, so the first thing I am going to do is get these little pumpkins and gourds and all the corn, and I'm going to spray paint them because I want them to match more of the style in my house. I just have a bunch of these metallic colors. I have some black and brown, and I'm just going to go ham and spray paint all of them so they'll be cute and match. There's so much you can do with things and just spice them up and make them look cute and blend them in with more things. Okay, so while those are drying, I want to do a little bit of love to the bathroom. So you can see I have the little Mrs. Meyer soaps, pumpkin spice. So those are like kind of cute a little bit. I have this little welcome pumpkin. And then over here on the toilet, we have these 3 little pumpkins. Now, that is not very many decorations, so we need to spice it a little to make it cute. So, I'm gonna first get some of these vines, and I'm gonna start putting them up, and then we'll slowly kind of add things until it is all decorated and little fall looking. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do, I have this cute little plant here right in the middle of the bathroom. So I'm going to put these little pumpkins, there's some sticks on them right in the middle, and then I will just put this little bow on here, and I think it looks adorable. So this is the next little area I want to get done here in the kitchen. You can see I have my Mrs. Meyer's again, I like a pumpkin spice, and then my acorn spice stuff. And everyone's back and forth. I love Mrs. Meyer's. I love the smells. So this is the area I want to be doing and everything. And we'll, oh, come on, zoom. there I want to be doing and kind of spice it up and make it look like fall. Also, as a tiny little side note, I get on the Mrs. Meyer's from Grove Collaborative. So if you guys want to use my code, I believe you can get $10 off. And yeah, go do that because I love ordering all my cleaning supplies, having it come straight to my house. Oh, the first thing I want to put into this kitchen is this little vase. So these were at the dollar store. I had them from a previous time I got them, but they still have a whole bunch, and they're great. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab all these little pumpkins and put them at the bottom because we need a cute little base to make it look awesome. From that point, I'm just taking a whole bunch. I got a whole bunch of these flowery stuff, and I'm just going to kind of put everything in, kind of rearrange it how I want. Doing kind of leaves at the very bottom and then slowly just adding like flowers in. So we have a nice, good look here. Next thing, I have this cute little bow and I want to add it here to the front. So I have my front here and I'm just gonna tie it around a couple of these little plants here. And voila, there is my little vase. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take more of this garland stuff. Wow, look at my voice. More garland stuff, and we're gonna put it back behind the sink. Okay, so we got that there, pretty simple. I'm gonna take my little vase here, put that there, make sure to kind of cover up the end. Cute. And then we're gonna place these. This little corner I have back here. And what I'm going to do is, right now I'm gonna have a fake pumpkin. Eventually I wanna put a real pumpkin here when I get one. I'll use those in a couple weeks, and then I'm just gonna position these corn right by it, and there is the little corner set there. And then I'm just gonna put some little pumpkins to go with it, and there's our cute little corner. All right, the next thing I have is I already have this cute basket filled with all fall stuff, and it's adorable, but I'm gonna take one of these little bows, and I'm just gonna tie it around here in the front, because I love pumpkins, and I think these bows are some of the cutest bows out there. So, you know, we need to get them to match, get them to go everything. Oh, look how adorable. I love it, I love it, I love it. I just got this cute little plant. I got this cute snake plant that we got. And I just thought, oh, it definitely needs a little bit of fall decor. So again, I'm doing it like I did this other one where I'm actually turning it and then digging it into the dirt so that we can have them right on the pot. And you can also super glue them if you want, but I just wanted to just put them on and then use a little bow. Okay, the last thing I have is all these little pumpkins, so now it is time to put them everywhere and have fun. This video. I hope you loved it and loved seeing all the different things you can do with stuff from the dollar store, all the fall stuff. There's a lot of amazing things and it makes it look adorable. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to push that button. You don't want to miss any more videos. Push the bell notification. And I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you have a great day, great night. God bless.